My Favorite Animal by Arwen D. Tan Jr., Grade 4, Prudence.
This weekend, we went in my daddy's hometown in Davao City, and we visited so many other kinds of eagles in the Philippine Eagle Center. The home of an eagle is called an aerie. It's a nest of a bird and the eagle. According to our tour guide, the Philippine eagles mostly eats monkeys or bats or any flying animals. Did you know the Philippine eagle was named the national bird in 1995? And did you know the Philippine eagle is one of the most rarest eagles in the world? If you're visiting Davao, and if you want to visit Davao, just go to the Philippine Eagle Center. That is this is one of my most favorite zoo in the world.